Hi kiddos! I'm so excited that you're joining me again for another story. We're going to read the story and answer some questions together. So this story is called Work to Earn Money by Amy Ben and illustrated by Katie Zolnowski. Let's read together. Kale, can you say hi to Kale? Kale wants a basketball. He needs to earn money. Can you touch the basketball? What does Kale want? Does he want a basketball or soccer ball? Touch your answer. He wants a basketball. Kale can work to earn money. Let's see, what's Kale doing in these pictures? I see him drying some dishes. Can you pretend to dry a dish? I see him raking leaves. Kale is working to earn money. Kale has money now. He can buy his basketball. Did Kale earn the basketball? Yes or no? Yes. Can you sign yes? Yes, Kale earned his basketball. Michelle, hi Michelle. What do you think Michelle wants when you're looking at the picture? Let's read to find out. Michelle wants colored pencils. She needs to earn money. What does Michelle want? Markers or colored pencils? Touch or say your answer. Michelle wants colored pencils. Michelle can work to earn money. What's Michelle doing? I see her making her bed. Do you make your bed? And I see her dusting the table. Michelle has money now. She can buy the colored pencils. How do you think Michelle feels? I see a smile. Do you think she's happy or sad? I think she's happy. Can you show me your smile? Carla wants earrings. She needs to earn money. Earrings go in your ear. Can you touch your ear? Ear. What does Carla want? Did she want earrings or a hat? Touch or say your answer. Carla wanted earrings. Carla can work to earn money. What's Carla doing in these pictures? I see her folding the shirt and washing dishes. Can you pretend to wash dishes? What do you think? Do you think Carla earned her earrings? Yes or no? Touch or say your answer. Let's keep reading to find out. Carla has money now. She can buy the earrings. buy? Look, she's happy. She did her work and she got her earrings. This is Ned. Say hi, Ned. Ned wants a video game. He needs to earn money. Do you like video games? Yes or no? Ned can work to earn money. He's doing work to earn his money. I see Ned picking up branches and taking out the trash. Do you help your family by taking out the trash? Do you remember what Ned wanted to buy? Did Ned want to buy a board game or a video game? Touch or say your answer. Ned wanted a video game. Good job. He did his work. What do you think? Do you think he's going to earn it? Yes or no? If Ned did his work, I think yes, he's going to earn it. But let's read and find out. Ned has money now. He can buy the video game. Look how happy Ned is. CALE, Michelle, CARLA, and Ned, our 4 friends, all did their work to get what they want. We can earn money. We can spend money. I see Michelle, CALE, Ned, and CARLA, and they all look happy. The end. You did the story. You did your work, and now you can go choose what you want to earn for your free time. Very good job. See you guys later.